a good hair day. It's a good hair day. I just got my hair layers put back in my hair yesterday. I'm so excited, and I am so excited about sharing my 5-minute law of attraction affirmations with you, because these are some of the most powerful affirmations that I have ever written, that I've ever come up with. This is going to change your life. I am so excited. But you've got to actually do them. You've got to do this for the next 21 to 30 days. It's going to take something from you to do this work to change your life. And if you want to really make an impact on your life and the life of other people around you, then I highly encourage you to share this video, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave a comment here below, because I will interact with you. I will reply back to you. I reply back to all my comments. So if you have any questions, you have any suggestions, then I would love to hear from you. So please do leave a comment. Hello, powerful manifestors. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist, and today I'm going to share with you the most powerful Law of Attraction affirmations which you can repeat throughout your day to begin aligning your thoughts, your beliefs, your vibration, and your actions with the Law of Attraction so that you can start getting the results that you want. For more powerful affirmations, you can download my HypnoCloud app. It's totally free in the App Store, and there's 12 free sessions in there, many more paid sessions, but 12 of them are free. So anyway, getting back to this video, for best results, don't just say or don't just listen to these affirmations, actually say them out loud with feeling. Feel them. Stand up if you have to, and really mean what you're saying, because the more you feel the energy of these vibrations, the more helpful they are going to be for you. All right, ready? Take a deep breath and let's begin. The law of attraction is always working for me. Each day I become more and more trusting. I know I'll manifest everything my heart truly desires. I choose to believe that everything happens at just the right time. I welcome miracles into my life now. I become aware of all the opportunities which are always all around me. Gratitude is so powerful, and I am becoming more and more grateful all the time. I love myself. I love to receive abundantly. I love to give generously. I am one with the universe, so I already have everything. I keep my mind super focused on what I am manifesting. Every day is another opportunity to align myself with joy and abundance. I appreciate all the gifts I have been blessed with already. I am an amazing, deserving being. All the power to manifest my dreams is inside of me. I listen to the guidance I receive through infinite intelligence. I take inspired action steps every day toward my desire. I am ready, willing, and determined to succeed. I am a magnetic person manifesting my dreams. I'm getting better and better at optimizing the law of attraction. I have access to all the resources I need. My vision for success is becoming clearer and sharper every day. I can feel however I choose to feel, and I choose to feel good. I allow myself to have it all. Everything is energy. I expect the best. The secret is gratitude. The law of attraction is real. Thoughts are energy. Thoughts become things. I can manifest anything I desire. I am extremely powerful. I now manifest my dream life. I always attract whatever I want. For best results, do this for 21 days in a row. If you liked this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and leave me a comment and let me know how this works for you. And for more amazing sessions, download my HypnoCloud app, which gives you access to over 500 professionally recorded sessions on law of attraction and manifesting. Thanks again so much for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.